Can you grill a côte boeuf like this without burning your barbecue rub like that? We want to take into consideration that there are some sugars in there, so we want to go for a hot and fast, but not extremely hot and fast. I'm going to be aiming for a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My weapon of choice for today is the ceramic barbecue by the Bastard. It's equipped with a multi-level system that allows me to create 2 temperature zones. On both sides, lather it up, shake it, apply liberally on all sides, of course. The meat has been seasoned, the grill has been seasoned. Let's bring them together. Once it gets to that perfect golden brown crusty color, I'm going to be moving it to the indirect zone, allowing that inner temperature to reach perfection. And I'm going to keep track of it by inserting a core thermometer, allowing me to monitor it closely so I don't overcook my steak. Low and slow rub on a hot and fast grilled steak. Yes, you can. Keep those temperatures in check. Use a little bit of oil. Keep close eye on those core temperatures and you will obtain grilled perfection.